3 years ago, I wanted to do something exciting. I told my mom, "Ma, I'm thinking of taking a year off work to see the world." My mom's response, "1 year no work? Mea," that's what my mom calls me. "Don't do it. What are you gonna eat? Air?" Just when you need encouragement, what do you hear? Don't do it. It's so disheartening, isn't it? My mom does it to me all the time. I came home from school one day excitedly declaring that I was chosen to run in a race for Sports Day. My mom's response, "Mea, don't do it. What if you fall and hurt yourself? What if you don't fall, but still lose?" Heartbroken, I ran to my room, collapsed onto my bed, and wept miserably. Of all the people, why must it be the one you love who says the most discouraging thing? Last week, I told my mom, "Ma, I'm taking part in a speech contest." Her response, "Contest?" Mea, what do you think she said? She said,